So I bought a new Redmi Turbo 4. So this is a China ROM. So you can see this is a Redmi Turbo 4. So I have a problem using this one. If I use the home search, it always looks like this. There's a lot of Chinese character. So I don't want to see this one. So what you will do is you have to go here. See this one, you click here and you have to go here. These three dots on the upper right, you have to click. Then you go to the settings. Then after that, you go to the start page. So from here, you have to open this. You disable everything like this. The popular search request, you have to disable. Click the minus sign. And another one. So this one, the searching are always coming out. So after this, you clear the search history. You can also put search history if you want. So for example, you are looking for an app, so you can see which one is your latest. So it's up to you. So when you open this one, see, it's all clear. See, you click here, it's all clear. No more, unless you put something like search, for example, Shopee. We will see if there is a search already. See, so this is the history. So if you don't want history, you can just go here, click the settings, go to start page, remove the history. So nothing. So every time you search an app, see, so this is how to remove the unwanted character you want to see. So this is how to remove it. I hope this is very helpful to you. Please comment or share and leave something, comment. Thank you.